Badoo is not a new name in the online dating space. But if you are new to Badoo and you have just created your account, now you want to log in, here's how you can log into your Badoo account. Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Guide. In today's guide, we're going to show you how you can log into your Badoo account. The first step is to go to your favorite browser and in the address bar, you can type badoo.com and press enter. On the top section, there are two buttons to the right, login and sign up. Click login. So there were multiple ways that you must have seen while signing up. You could have used email or phone number or just your existing Google, Facebook or Apple accounts. I used email to set up my Badoo account. So I'm gonna log in with my email itself. Here, enter your email and in the next space, enter your password you used to set up your account. If you used the alternative ways, like using Google, Facebook, or Apple while signing up, you should choose the respective buttons in the bottom section. After filling up email and password, I'm gonna do login. Here we are in the home page of Badoo with Encounters tab selected by default. This is how you log into your Badoo account. Hope you found this video helpful. For future video updates similar to this one, do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye-bye.